Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. So today we're going to look at a very handy feature that's built into XAMN, and that is the ability to exclude hash lists from your view. For example, we've been used to using the certain big projects that have been set up like Vic and Cade, for example, where we want those hits identified to us. But maybe we've created our own hash set and we want that excluded from our view. So known good files that we've created and kept locally. So let's have a look at how we can achieve that in XAMN. So I'm going to go down and use a camera filter just so we can show it with a smaller number. So I'm going to pick the iPhone 12 Pro, which is going to return 395 artifacts. What I'm then going to do is invoke a hash watch list. So the hash list filter is going to be applied. So we can see here we've got 395 artifacts. And to invoke a hash list, we need to add new filter. As we go to add, we can go to the hash filter, and you can see here we can import it via a text file or a CSV. Press OK. This is where we have to add our file or create a new one. So I'm going to add a file, and here is my hash list to match. Press open. These are my 5 hashes, a mixture of SHA-1 and MD5. Click OK. And that hash list is now going to apply. And you'll see that I've got 5 hits. But the purpose of this is we want to exclude them. So all we do is we go down to the filter menu, to the hash, to the 3 ellipsis, and then simply choose exclude. Now we're viewing all of the files in that gallery view of files that don't match on the hash list. And if we wanted to automate this, we could save this as a quick view. Click add. Then when we press OK, it's available as an automated list that we can just apply directly from the main case page. We hope that you can see the power of using this filter to exclude known good files, and you'll join us again soon for some more hints and tips.